Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. Yeah, markets have opened. Obviously, note that today the US stock market is going to close early, and tomorrow there isn't going to go anything. There isn't going to happen anything because of the of Independence Day. Okay, so just be aware of that. Just want to focus on the short term here in this video. As per generally the expectations, we saw a move to the upside out of this sort of trend reversal area here. I am currently counting this as a wave 1, a wave 2, a possible third wave, with a wave 4 currently in the making. And I'd like to see, well, at least one more high here in this fifth wave. And then we should see a significant top. At least we are going to get to a decision point. Either this is going to be a B wave top, or if we rally substantially higher than $4,500, then it could be a third wave high, and that would increase the chances that we're going to hold a higher low. I did explain that in the previous videos. What I would like to explain how the move to the downside could look like if it starts, and what the relevant support levels are. So first of all, one more high expected. Micro support is between 4,410 and 4,436 US dollars. If I zoom in a little bit, we have the following relevant support areas here on the chart. So first of all, if we zoom out, you can see that the move down should occur obviously in a C wave. Yeah? But this C wave would obviously be a 5-wave move. And the wave 1 would also be a 5-wave move. Okay, very important. So what we don't know yet, how long will the C wave be, but it should go certainly below 3,400. Well, yeah, roughly 4,000. Well, it should go below 4,000 anyway, right? Because if we have an ABC structure, then the C wave would typically end below the A wave, significantly below it typically, depending on the height of the B wave a little bit. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see something around 3,000, 3,500, maybe even lower. But we will be able to be a little bit more clear about that as soon as we have a wave 1 in place and a wave 2. Okay, because then we will still have the third wave, the fourth, and the fifth. However, we have, if we come down then, we have significant support here at around $4,325. That is the B wave high, which was made on the 17th of August. I think that's a very important one. 4,300, yeah, 25 US dollars. This is going to be support on the way down. Maybe if we come down, let's say we come down in 5 waves, this could be our wave 1 then. Then we might bounce, go down further, yeah. Maybe then to the next support. That is going to be here the B wave top, which was made on the 3rd of February. We talk about $4,200. Just want to outline these two relevant support levels. They should be support on the way down, at least one of them here at $4,325 and at $4,200. And taking each of them out will send it down lower. Then we are going to look at support here at this wave 2 swing low, $4,050. And then a very important one will be here this, let's just double check the swing low price level. We talk here about 3,810 US dollars. Yeah, so it's going to get interesting. I think in the next, maybe this week or next week. I mean, this week, obviously tomorrow is bank holiday in the US, public holiday. And we've got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Maybe we are already going to see the end of this fifth wave this week. At the moment, I do expect higher still. Yeah, I mean, that can change if we break below support, but at the moment I expect higher. And maybe we're going to see the decision this week. Possibly next week, or certainly the next couple of weeks will be very interesting. So yeah, I mean, we are going to reach here a more substantial top. Okay, going to reach a more substantial top here. And anyway, I'll keep you updated. So the idea, obviously, just to finalize this and maybe to zoom out a little bit, the primary scenario is still lower as we look at an ABC structure here in a wave 4. Just double check that. Yeah, 78.6 retracement level is here the pivot. It's the $4,500 level. So getting above that would emphasize the more bullish scenario. So it's literally a very important pivot point. That's a wave 3 here in orange. Then we should see a wave 4 and a wave 5 afterwards. But then at some point, we also here should get to a very significant top, maybe around 5,500 US dollars. And then after that, we see the strong decline. So the thing is, the move to the upside here, at the moment, we have only 3 waves up and price action isn't super convincing, but you can interpret it as an impulse. The 2 reasons why I'm looking at move down. The first reason is that we actually have a start of this uptrend of the October 22 lows in a 3-wave structure. Yes, you can get away with counting this in a bullish way, but you actually have a 3-wave structure, and that is typically a start of an ABC structure then. And obviously risk management, yeah, because we are just below the pivot. So I'm just highlighting the risk to the downside here, but very open also to further upside because I'm fairly bullish on the crypto market. And yeah, I mean, it is what the Elliott wave analysis allows us to understand is that we're going to reach a very substantial pivot point here very shortly, and it will be a major decision point. It will be a major decision point, but either way, at some point here or up there will be a significant decline. And I highlighted it, I think, in the last video that typically, historically, after the Fed hit the pivot, yeah, and started to reduce interest rates. I mean, a lot of people bring that up, but the facts are there. Stock prices started to decline rapidly. Now, that could really be after this 5th wave up here. So I'm gonna track that for you. I hope you like the update. I'll keep you updated. So I hope you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.